This is what things look like before you put the plywood up. See the little knobs on the before you do all that, of course, you had to drill four studs in there, and they're glued in with epoxy, and therefore fix up a window like that with the 4 stud bolts, and glue them in. It'll probably take no more than 10 minutes at the most. Picture one of the stud bolts sitting in the wall, and without the knob on, but when they're stored, they're stored with the knob on to look more attractive. The picture what the thing looked like with the knob on, but that's the way it's normally sitting when the plywood is off the wall. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to put the plywood up. It has been drilled with 1-inch holes, and so that they don't have, and all the plywoods are drilled the same, so they will fit anywhere. See, this piece of plywood is a little bit crooked, but it still protects the window. So that shows you how little time it takes to put it on. Now he's going to put the knobs up on top. And the job is done. It's all protected, ready for the next hurricane.